This weekend is our annual fall family weekend. I'm so excited for it, and this kit's gonna be perfect. Hey y'all, it's Taylor from Tattooed Teacher Plans. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing a plan with me for the week of October 14th through the 20th. And this week, I have Monday off, which is, I'm filming this today. And then the rest of the week should be pretty busy at school. But then my mom's coming in and my sister on Friday, and I took the next Monday off so we can have a full family weekend. It's going to be fun. I'm excited. We've been doing this for, I want to say 6 years. Yeah. So I've already got the tickets for the pumpkin farm. It's always a good time. Okay, so this is the kit I'm using from Jessica Hart's Pumpkin Carving, the mini version. I always get the mini because I don't use everything in the full kit. Bottom washi is super fun. And I like the different background on the date covers. That's really cute. And then this came as a freebie, and I think that I can kind of incorporate some of this stuff. Like, it matches the same like color family. I don't know. I think it will work. There's a whole kit that's like this artwork, which I almost got, but I feel like I can make it work. Maybe. I don't know. It's just something I'm thinking about. And then this dot marker is fawn. We're going to use this. I think it'll match pretty well. This is my makselife planner. I have been in this all year, and we are getting close to the end. I will be doing a flip through of the entire planner once we get there. So if you've never seen one of my Plan As I Go Plan With Me's, the way that I do mine is that I go ahead and set up the week at the beginning, and then I will fill you in as many days as I can or want to. It just depends on my mood. And then at the end of the week, I'm going to fill in with pictures and memory keeping to make it extra special. So if you're into that, stay tuned and let's get this week set up. I'm going to begin with the bottom washi, but before we do that, I'm writing out the holidays and like events that are on the page because I like to put those in myself. And then I'm just kind of measuring and seeing how I want to do the bottom washi. So I decided to put it down a little bit lower than normal and leave myself some space for my daily gratitude. And then I'm going to use this leftover piece to cover up the bottom two habits. And I kind of flipped it around so it looked like it was a little bit different. I think it worked. And then I'm just trimming off the excess. Her stickers are super sticky, so I did tear the page a little bit, but a little trick with that, you grab some whiteout and just run the whiteout over it, and it just kind of patches the paper. And then I just wrote in my dates, and I'm putting those, the date covers across the top of the spread. I really like them a lot. They are just like the cornfield background, which it looks really interesting up there for some reason. I love this box with the nails. It's just super cute. And then I'm just putting in some boxes in kind of their normal spots for me. I'm also going to add in that box I showed you at the beginning, but we're going to do that as the spread is built. And then I have these cute little stickers. They were on some kind of freebie, and I just thought they were really cute. Now across the top, I needed to fill the little space up there, so I used a couple of different headers to do that, and then I'm just going to put in this to-do sticker and another header to finish it off. And then I grabbed my dot marker to add in some dots. Since Monday was a day off, I decided to put in a bunch of dots, and then I've got some hearts down there for daily gratitude. So since I had the day off, I grabbed a sticker for Indigenous Peoples Day and then just wrote day off on a little quarter box. And then I'm just writing in my habits real quick. So this week I was tracking my vitamins, my skincare, tracking my sleep, and then I'm just checking my weekly actions to grab some more. So getting into bed on time and getting in my steps. And then I'm just filling in my to-do lists. Some of them I leave blank. And then some days I know what I want to do that day, so I'll write it in. But lots of things to do on Monday. I tried to get all my cleaning done, but I didn't quite get it there. But that's okay. And then also on Monday I went for a walk, so I'm just grabbing a sticker for that. And then just to finish up this spread, I'm adding in some final to-dos, and then I'm using these little deco stickers just for a little something to add to the spread. It is Thursday. It's been a busy week so far. Monday, I didn't get as much done as I wanted to because I wasn't feeling the best. But yesterday and Tuesday were fine. Still did not do more workouts. I don't know what my deal is. Today I'm working out. I'm already in my workout clothes, which I did that yesterday and still didn't do it. So we're going to see. I got to get out of this little hole that I have created for myself when it comes to working out. It's like a mental block or something. And I know if I'll just get started and do it, it's fine. But I don't know. I don't know why it's so hard. Okay, so today's Thursday. I know I need to wash my hair. What else? I guess I could put in here that this was makselife review day. It's always so fun to watch people's videos, like answer comments. It's the best. I love it. So let's grab this one. And maybe I have a seasonal sticker that will work. I realized I should have been using these all month and I just completely forgot. So let's see if I can find something that'll work. I think I'll do one of these little coffees. Coffee booze. I still haven't gotten through all the videos yet, but I got time this week to do it. I didn't finish all my cleaning on Monday, so I don't know if it's just not going to get done, which is fine. I clean everything every week, so if I skip a week, it's fine, but I try not to. Okay, so today I'm going to do something with fly dance. I don't know if I want to do a cardio workout or a strength workout. I don't know. And it's way too windy to go for a walk, so can't do that. I'm going to use this box and cactus sticker. And I really don't know what other to-dos I have. I know I have some, so I'll just try to remember them as I go and add them in. Today, I accidentally marked that, but I did do my steps. Have not been going to bed on time, but I've been doing everything else. Okay, for my gratitude today, I'm going to do my mom because today was like our pink out day at school. Usually, I don't know if they do this everywhere, but schools in Texas do a pink out game where they like raise money for breast cancer research and programs and everything, and the pep rally and the game and everything are themed pink. So I don't wear pink. I hate pink so much, but I will wear it for my mom. And my shirt that I have specifically for that purpose says, I wear this shirt for my mama. So got her in there. She's doing great. 2 years ago, we were really, really scared, but she's doing great now. She had a double mastectomy last year, and she's finished up most of her treatments. She just has the chemo pill that she takes every day and like bone infusions every few months. So, yeah, super grateful over here. She's doing great. Okay, I'm going to go get to work because if I waste any more time, I will not do my workout and I will not do anything else tonight. So, I'll see you later. It is Sunday, so let's finish up this spread besides like the memory keeping stuff. So I already have a list of a couple of things here. So I don't know if I said this, but we postponed our family weekend to next weekend because my mom had carpal tunnel surgery and she didn't want to drive and stuff. So we had all these plans that didn't actually happen, but that's fine because we're going to do it next weekend. But I did get my reflections done yesterday. Yesterday was really just a day to recharge a little bit. I needed like one of those weekends where you don't do much. I was supposed to go to an event yesterday with my sister, but the weather, it was outside and the weather was like it was so windy, it was cold, it was rainy, and so like a bunch of the vendors didn't show up or get canceled. So we decided forgo that, and then the next event we see that we like, we will go to. But today I slept in just a little bit and I hung out with the kitties and read for a while and then went and picked up my groceries, went and got coffee, all that. And then I've been home and I'm just like relaxed a little bit. Now I need to do some editing cat boxes, wash my hair tonight. It's another day that's just kind of like, yes, I have a few things to get done, but nothing crazy, which is nice. And I'm planning right after this to go ahead and do my new plan with me for next week. And I guess we can put that in. Why not? You know, something else to check off. But I really don't have a ton to do today, which is kind of nice. This is the kit I'm using next week. It's super cute. It's called Wicked Cute. It's just adorable. And I really like the colors. I'm not really into pink, as you guys know, probably. But I feel like this one's just super fun. Plus, it's October, so I feel like I can wear some pink or have pink in my planner for Breast Cancer Month. Okay, so I don't have anything coming up this month or this week. I don't think. Let's check. All of this is done. Launch is next week. I should probably put that in my planner for next week. What else? Yeah, that's it. Nothing. Well, okay, I have the washi. I need to move it down or something. So that's everything for now. I will be back in a sec to add in some pictures and memory keeping and finish everything up with you. Let's finish up this spread. I've got pictures where I want them, so I need to get those down on the page. So let me cut these down, the little white spots on them, and glue them down with my Tombow adhesive, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I've got a couple of open spaces that I want to fill. So I've got this little ghosty. We'll put him right here. And then I've got this space here that I think I will fill with some green. So this is the breast cancer awareness shirt that I got this year. It says, I wear pink for my mama. And then our kids are going to state for cross country. I really like this quote. It says, I need to burn sage, but in my brain. That's what it felt like this year. This whole school year, really. And then I love this cute picture of my nephews. Okay, and then I think I just need to do my favorite moment of the week, which was, dude, I don't even know. This week was an interesting one. Probably Moxie Review Day, because that's always kind of a fun day. Gotta find those silver linings. Okay, this spread is done, and it turned out super cute. I really like this a lot. It's adorable. I wish I would have been able to use this kit for the next week, which was when we actually went to the pumpkin farm, but that's fine. This turned out so cute. I love this box right here. I just love like kind of how I put everything together, the mix of like journaling with plans. It's just super cute. I love it. I hope that you enjoyed watching me put together this spread as well. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. Hit that notification bell if you want to be notified when I upload. And share this video with somebody you think might like it. And I'll see you next week. Bye.